Hello and good morning. You're tuned into Market Cafe. I'm Ankita Saxena, and with me, Shishti Sharma. In the next half an hour, we'll take you through all that's happening on the global front and how that's likely to impact the Indian markets. And let's talk about the Wall Street then. I beg your pardon. Yesterday we did see cuts coming in across Wall Street. Now remember, Donald Trump had announced a 10-day pause on hitting the energy fields for Iran. But Iran is not really in a mood for a negotiation because they're calling the deal one-sided, and on the back of that, they have rejected all the claims and all of that US has to offer. And on the back of that, that sent crude prices also skyrocketing, and it's touched $100 a barrel. And on the back of that, there are inflationary concerns that are back on the street. And on the back of that, we do see sharp cuts coming across Dow Jones Industrial Average that was down 1%. S&P 500 also traded down with cuts of more than 1.5%, and Nasdaq was down and out almost 2.3%. Now remember, yesterday also we did see a downtick coming in as far as tech stocks are concerned, and energy stocks were also leading the losses. So that's what the impact of this ongoing war has had on the markets. So a sea of red that came in yesterday. Now remember, yesterday of course the Indian market was shut, but it's today we're going to see a gap down start as the Nifty is also implying a cut of almost 156 points on the Nifty.
All right, so that's about the US market check. Just yesterday we have seen so much of decline happening, but on the flip side, with the escalated kind of tensions between US as well as Iran, we have already seen crude jumping more than 5%, and once again Brent crude is trading above that $100 per barrel mark, and even a similar sort of a move in terms of percentage we have seen on WTI as well. So crude is definitely once again on the boil, but along with that, after the latest commentary coming in from Donald Trump, where he has actually gone ahead and extended the deadline for an Iran deal, we have seen a bit of a cool-off happening right now. It's almost a 1% decline, what we are getting to see on the crude oil prices. But add to that is the move in the commodity prices, because once again a sell-off that we have seen on the on the gold as well as silver prices, and especially silver, which was down over 6% just yesterday. As of now, even they are seeing a bit of a jump off from those lower levels, almost a 7-10% of a gain coming in on gold as well as silver prices. So let's see how the situation pans out, but the markets are seeing a bit of a stabilization at this point in time.
All right, so that's how the commodity markets are faring. But let's talk of how the Asian handover looks like. Even Asia is taking a cue from Wall Street and is trading with cuts of almost a percent or so. Nikkei is down almost 1%, 547 points downtick coming in on Nikkei. Hang Seng is trading down 0.3%. Shanghai also down 0.3%, and S&P ASX 200 is trading with cuts of 0.5%. And of course, like I mentioned, the implied start to Nifty shows a gap down start of more than 150 odd points. So a sea of red coming in yet again on Friday for the markets.